Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an unboxing. I am so excited. Okay, so I was on TheRealReal the other day. Set that to the side. And I was just browsing and I ended up in the vintage section of the designer handbags. Which brings us to today's unboxing. No, this is not sponsored, but TheRealReal. Hit your girl up if you want to collab. Okay, so I'm not going to ramble. Y'all know I'm good at that. So I was on the vintage section of TheRealReal, and I found this piece that was less than $200. Fun fact, if you want to get designer items for a fraction of the price, go the secondhand route. I've been shopping with TheRealReal for years. I've gotten a few bags. Actually, hang on. A couple. This is my second bag from TheRealReal. I've gotten 5 pairs of shoes. One I had to send back because my calves are awesome and it just didn't work out. I've gotten sunglasses. I've gotten clothing pieces from there. Check them out if you haven't. I will tag them. But today is my second vintage piece. It's a vintage Bottega. Okay, so it's very basic looking. When you look at it, it's a bucket bag, basically. Okay, strap. It's coming off kind of yellowish on camera. It's not that yellow. It is definitely more brown. Here it is close up. It has the little, normally you would call this a toggle, but it doesn't have the little clicker piece, so I don't really know what you would call this. I did stuff it myself because it was flat, it was mushed. Okay, so so cute. Okay, so I do have another bucket bag. I should have brought it, but I didn't. It's in my closet, and it's a teal blue Steve Madden, and I only wore it a couple times. I've had it for like 10 years, and I only wore it a couple times. But I think it's because it was blue, and it just really didn't go with much. And so I thought, this is a gorgeous bag. It looks like it's in impeccable shape. There are a few flaws. It is secondhand, so you do have to keep that in mind. I have kept that in mind, especially for the price. It was less than $200. And we'll go over all the details here shortly. But, okay, where do we start? Okay, I did stuff it myself because it was flat whenever it came in the mail in that dust bag. And so I went ahead and stuffed it. It's got paper and plastic on the inside. Okay, so whenever it came here, it did have this crease right here of how it was folded. I am hopeful that that will kind of work itself out after having it stuffed, which with all of my bags, if it can be stuffed, it is stuffed. I like to display my bags in my closet just to give it a more, like not like necessarily luxurious, but more of a boutique feel. And so if it can be stuffed, it will be stuffed if it's in my closet. Let's see. From what I've noticed, there is a handful of flaws. Okay, so on the strap, there is discoloration. It's not frayed or anything. It's just discolored, like maybe something spilt on it. Let's see. There is a crack right here, which is right at the top, so I probably will not store it hanging. There's the flip side. Okay, so I will not store it hanging up. It will sit like this. The corners right here are pretty good. That's that side. Here is this side. I don't know what you call it, this little side piece of the strap. This looks like it's in great shape. Like I don't see any type of cracking or anything. I will say that the strap it seems like it's probably a little warped. That's I'm assuming that's from it hanging, or maybe it got hot, and you see how it's kind of wonky like that, which is fine if it's hanging on me. I've already worn this. I wore it to lunch today, but you see how it does the little twisty thing. So it looks like it was probably hanging on something at one point, which caused that to kind of disfigure. Not that big of a deal. Let's see. Okay, so on the drawstring, there is a slight crack right here. Other than that, the drawstring part of it seems like it's in great shape. Right here, it looks like there is a pin mark right there. It looks like a pin. I'm not sure exactly what it is. The bottom is an oval shape, so it is quite small as far as a, I guess a traditional bucket bag. Let's see. There's no feet, but the sewing seems like it's in great shape. There is a little bit of discoloration. There's some discoloration right here. Overall, it's in great shape. It's a great bag. I'm so excited about this. Let's see, let's take this out. Okay. Here is the inside. There is a lot of markings in there, which looks like probably from pens, maybe even a marker. Yeah, it looks like something round was sitting in the bottom. I don't know if the camera is going to pick that up. Here is that going to show? There is the plate on the inside, the Bottega Veneta. There are no inside pockets or slots or anything, so it's like an empty hole, basically. But it is lined, and let's see, it feels like it's maybe some type of suede. Let's see. Just a lot of pin markings. Blue pen, black pens. Anyways, so let me put all of this back in here. If I'm not going to use it, then I'm definitely going to keep it stuffed to give it a better shape and so that it looks nice in my closet. Stuff it really good like that. I think this would probably be the only thing that really kind of bugs me, but it seems like maybe it was laid flat, and that was, so I'm hoping that will kind of work itself out eventually. And that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye.